Hey guys, it's Tay coming at y'all with another video. This one is pretty silent, so I wanted to do a voiceover showing you guys how to put the lace. So let's skip straight to it. The first thing you want to do is take a rat tail and part an even part around or through the hairline. Next, as you can see, I am speeded up, but the main play to this is pluck and move. When you're plucking, you want to glide straight across the hairline. You don't want to focus on the same area too much. So as you can see, I'm kind of going left to right and plucking out all of those hairs. Okay. As you can see, it's already looking thinner. Now, on the right-hand side, it is a bit thicker, so I'm going back over there to thin it out and make it look more like that left corner that's plucked really, really good. I'm just kind of pulling my finger back on my pinky and looking at the hair and evaluating it and plucking the areas that need be. But I'm still going in a certain motion to get to it, and I'm still going from right to left, left to right. Next, you're going to part and do a second row, nice thin even slice. And as you can see, I'm plucking the next level right behind that. I'm still gliding in the same motion. I'm going back and forth in the areas that I feel is needed the most. Doing that first row, I did touch that second row a little bit, so I'm just kind of going in, and as you can see, moving side to side to make it look as natural as possible. And when you're plucking, don't overthink it. I do tend to move pretty fast because I'm on the go. I don't overthink it at all. I just glide. Okay. So now, as you can see, I'm taking those tweezers and I'm going into that bottom row. I'm pulling out all of those hairs. They're too thick to be baby hair, so I'm thinning all of that out from the inside. As you can see right in that side, really compared to the other side, that part is a lot thicker. So I'm going through and pulling those hairs to make one side look like the other. Comb it all back and it should look pretty natural. Keep going wherever you feel like it's needed, and you want to comb all the rows up to make sure that the start of that looks good. You want to almost add lines intentionally. And as you can see, it looks a lot thinner. You'll be getting up close in a moment to see what it really looks like. I do apologize for the blur, but here we have it. As you guys can see, it is plucked really nicely. It's very natural. I want to go in and just get anything else that I feel like is needed. And now you can see some of the thicker areas up close to see what it needs to look like. Now take that rat tail comb and pull down pieces little by little, and you should see that it looks so much more presentable. Baby hairs are easy, and even if you don't want them, that is what it will look like. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys